I'm Shakila Katamu from Kenya School of Tibet, Water Engineering section. So today we are going to discuss about plumbing materials. Thereby we have the learning outcomes whereby this is expected of the student at the end of the lesson. So at the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to identify different types of materials used in plumbing. The learner also should be able to sketch different types of plumbing fittings and demonstrate how plumbing fittings are used. So before we start our discussion, I want to hear from learners what they knew or their view about the plumbing materials before the discussion. So what is your view, or what do you know about plumbing materials? So what do you know about what do you know about plumbing materials, and what you want to know about plumbing materials? So at least you know, or you have a clue what plumbing materials are. So plumbing materials, these are materials that are used mostly in our area of specialization, which is plumbing. They are the materials that are used to help us in connecting water or any other plumbing services. So before us, we have the plumbing materials, and I want you to identify, to write one plumbing materials, what you see here, and you pass the paper to another one to get you another material. So give your partner. So I will check to see what you know here. And in the class, you can see you are able to identify the materials here. So the fittings here. So I'm seeing there we have elbows. You've identified the elbows. You've identified the DPR types, the gate valve, which is soft and carrier. So here, as per our element, as per our learning outcome, I want to demonstrate how different plumbing fittings are used. So here I have a fitting. Here I have a tip. I have a tip, and it is this is a female, this is a male tip, and this is how it works, whereby it connects into the female tip. So that is how the plumbing materials works and fittings. So that is a very good question. So we have a gate valve here, and you have different types of gate valve. This one is a PPR gate valve, and another one a GI. But this one is the gate valve, and the GI uses this material. Yes. The purpose of an elbow. This is an elbow, and this one is a GI. We have also a PPR. This one changes the direction of the flow of water. And you can see this one is a multi-elbow. I have a 45 one. But for our case, this is a 45. This is a 90 degree. Yes. So he likes to know the difference between an elbow and a tip. So this is an elbow which changes the direction of the flow, and this is a tip each connects 2 or 3 pipes. So you can choose. Maybe this one should be an inlet, and this one an outlet, or this one is an outlet, and this one's the inlet. So class, mostly this one is a Y, and diameters, they don't have specification, but most of specifications are being written here. For this case, the diameter of this is 3. Is 3. So most of them are indicated there. So if you want to do your plumbing work, you must check before you carry out your plumbing. So that is the end of our class. Thank you so much.